Welcome to day 11 of Learn Blues Harmonica in 30 days. We are actually just about halfway through the month. We're almost halfway through the month, but we are on the second half of our 4-week program. And we're going to talk about using your tongue today. So when you're playing a harmonica, you know, you can just use breath control, but you can also you know, get all Halloween or Friday the 13th about it, you know, get some of that tongue sounding going on there. So instead of having a little bit of trouble with it today. Instead of just having that blow through, that draw through, you're getting that little t along the way. Now there's other tonguing, you know, tongue talking techniques as well. You can do tongue blocking. But I don't generally tongue block. It's something that I've always wanted to figure out. I just never have done it. Who knows, maybe one day I'll do it, and maybe I'll do another one of these where I actually talk about tongue blocking. But for right now, just remember just tap away with that tongue sound and make that staccato sound with your harp. It really can make a difference when you're looking for that sound, and it just makes everything sound a little bit cleaner when you're playing it. All right, so you've got your 12-bar blues, you got your draw, you got your blow, you got your workspace. Go ahead and add in those tongue techniques and, you know, see if you can really crisp up the sound of your harmonica playing as you're playing it. And of course, if you got any questions, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit the like. If you feel like donating, go to thejukejoint.countzeroblues.com and throw me a donation. Really do appreciate it. If you want one of these C harmonicas from East Top, I do have a link to it down below. It's the one that we're using. And come on back tomorrow, and we will talk about our next step in blowing harp. All right? You folks have a great day.